DevGriffins is 3 years old. We were running, clients are coming in, revenue is coming, but I'm still sitting there thinking something is wrong. Something is wrong. Not with the business, not with the numbers, but with the answer to one single question. What does DevGriffins actually stand for? Actually, I couldn't answer that question. No one of us couldn't answer that specific question. All right, that's where the problem started. We started DevGriffins in 2021. From 2021 to 2023, 2024, we were almost doing everything for our clients. SEO, website, post designing, video editing, and content writing, everything. Okay, ads, of course. So we were almost just another agency like all of other agency in the market. Okay, so basically, if a client comes and if they want to choose us for a specific need, we were like almost same like another 50 other agencies. So it's like very minimum chance to find a USP between all other agencies. All right, we were saying things like this. Of course, we do things in a better way. We do things in a different way. Of course, yeah, we all say that. But after some point, I realized that's not the actual USP. That's not. Then again, I was questioning myself. What are we going to stand for? And what are we going to give our customer something special? All right. So I seriously wanted to know the answer for this question. And then I got the answer right. So from our experience, from our journey, I realized what is our most capable, enjoyed thing which we were doing, which is telling story online. Yes, not just DevGriffins as Thasanthan. Actually, I started everything by telling story online, right? You all know that. By YouTube channel only, I started everything, okay? So we realized that's one of our major, strong skill by all of our team, okay? So that's where I realized, okay, this is our USP. So what are we gonna do? All right, so I can tell my story online, and our DevGriffins can tell their story online, of course. Cool. Then why not we help businesses, business founders with telling their story online? All right, that's where everything changed. Now the biggest question is how I actually did the transition. Okay, so I got this question and I wanted to make a change in the business. So basically, we had a client base, right? So we had a very big client base. I'm not saying we were making millions, but still we had a good number of client base, right? So we can't disappoint them by like saying, okay, we are not going to do any of this. We are going to focus only on the build your story. Then we have to make a proper smooth transition. So it took us like 1 year, okay? So build your story, the concept is not about removing what we were doing. It's about aligning everything into one core concept and delivering a best service. Okay, so what do we mean by build your story? Simple. So every single part of content in this digital world is definitely telling a story. If it doesn't tell a story, we don't engage with it. It can be a video, it can be a website, it can be a content, it can be just a caption even, okay? So it has to tell a story. Otherwise, we don't care about it. As humans, if there is no story, we don't care about it, okay? So exactly, so we have to design a system where founders can come to us and start their journey and tell their story online, build a community, and sell whatever they wanted online. So this is the core idea. So what I did was I just sat and I think I was working almost for a week to build up a complete framework about the build your story, like how are we going to deliver this and what are the service scopes and how is the business model is going to work, and then the main thing, the distribution plan. So all set. The next question is, was it worth it? Of course, we were doing this for last 1 year, and it's almost 1.5 year now. We were able to place 12 ideal customers. Okay, numbers looks very small, right? Of course, because we didn't push on social media as much. We didn't, do a hard push on sales. We were completely focusing on building the structure, the business structure. Okay, so in this period of time, we were working with 12 different ideal customers. Okay, it's not about the general works we do, like the website and stuff. I'm not including none of that. It's just about the build your story customers. Okay, so we were giving our best to deliver the best to them, and with the results, we were literally surprised about like what they are able to do online, and super happy about about the transition we made. So then now I seriously have a complete satisfaction of what we are doing at DevGriffins, and we are standing for like a cool and an interesting statement we could ever stand for. Okay, so from here onwards, we'll be moving forward to build more and more stories online of founders, businesses, and interesting people. So yeah, of course, so you're gonna see all of that in the upcoming videos. So if you're now here, let me reintroduce myself. I'm Thasanthan. I'm the founder of DevGriffins. So DevGriffins, we help business founders and businesses with telling their story online. And I work for Soul Coffee Group as the group head of marketing. And apart from all of this, I build solutions to solve problems. That's about me. Simply, I just document this journey. So that's all. That's me, simple. So I'm going to document this journey more here. And I feel like rather than running behind the numbers, views, and everything, I'm going to take this crazy step in this YouTube channel to document like what we have done so far and what we are heading towards. So you're going to see more of business and networking and the things I'm learning from cool people I'm meeting in my life. So I'm going to share all of that here. So stay tuned. See you next week. Goodbye.